Hi, I'm Brian Lee. Today this video will illustrate the simplicity and ease bleeding Gage Bilt's air return, split riveter, and split handle tools. Filling and bleeding is done in two steps. The first step, filling, is only necessary when a tool has been dismantled and reassembled. If you did not dismantle your tool, you will only need to follow step 2 of this video.
Step 1. Filling. Put the piston rod wrench into top of handle, pushing firmly down until piston rod is completely in the down position. Fill oil passage and reservoir with automatic transmission fluid Dextron 3 or equivalent. The reservoir is the area surrounding the power cylinder. When looking at top of handle, the oil passage is the hole that has a counterbore for the S832 O-ring. Do not overfill, causing oil to get into air passage. Install S832 O-ring and gasket 704129. Apply Loctite 242 on all cap screws. Assemble manifold handle to handle, keeping hydraulic hose towards the front of tool. Push head piston full forward. Install the gasket and O-ring on manifold head. Assemble head cylinder assembly and trigger assembly to manifold head. Coil tool up on bench. Lie handle down on side with hose side of manifold handle marked number 2 to the top. Rest cylinder head assembly over a small bucket or can. Fill bleeder bottle 745263 to the top. Connect bottle to hose side of manifold handle marked number 2. Remove bleeder screw and stato seal from cylinder head. In one continuous squeeze, pump fluid into manifold handle. When oil starts to flow from bleeder hole on head assembly, using one hand replace bleeder screw and stato seal. while still squeezing the bleeder bottle with your other hand. This may require 2 people. Remove bleeder bottle and replace screw and stato seal. Step 2. Bleeding. Stand handle on floor. Stretch hose and head assembly upward and lay flat on table or bench. When bleeding tools, always keep the head assembly higher than the handle assembly. Attach bleeder bottle 704153 to manifold handle, hole mark number 3. Connect the tool to air supply and cycle tool 10 times, holding the trigger down for 2 to 3 seconds between cycles to remove any air from the tool. Disconnect air supply. Remove bleeder bottle from manifold handle and replace with bleeder screw and stato seal. Remove screw and stato seal from head cylinder and attach bleeder bottle 704153. Connect air supply. Cycle tool 10 times, removing any air bubbles. Disconnect air supply. Remove bleeder bottle and replace screw and stato seal. Connect air supply. Cycle tool 5 to 6 times. In every manual is an illustration of the correct return and pull position of the piston. We recommend using a pair of dial calipers here. With trigger released, check A dimension. Holding trigger in, check B dimension. These dimensions should check within 1/32 of an inch. If minimum stroke is incorrect, repeat step 2 of this video.
This completes the filling and bleeding procedure on Gage Bilt's air return, split riveter, and split handle tools. With a bleeding procedure as fast and easy as this was, you can see how Gage Bilt tools will save you time. Again, thank you for purchasing Gage Bilt tools.